Welcome back to another Eats 365 release overview. In this video, we'll explore the latest updates to the various Eats 365 modules such as the Merchant Portal, POS, and mPOS. First, let's go over these new and exciting features and enhancements we've added to the Merchant Portal, such as creating and associating shop tags with restaurants, the addition of the KDS prep start time to the item preparation time report, and creating date groups with specific days and yearly repetition. Next, the POS version 2.77 update enables restaurants in Japan to issue formal receipts for transactions. Now, for the mPOS version 1.11, we added new features such as support devices with a built-in printer and allow printing directly using the mPOS, support Dine-in table assignment, lock orders after printing the bill, support Alipay as a payment method, manage self-checkout requests, include order surcharge in orders placed on the mPOS. We'll be going over each of these updates in more detail. If you're particularly interested in any of them, you can check the video description below to jump to the topic you'd like to learn more about. Let's get started. Shop tags are labels that you can add to restaurants to associate certain identifying markers, such as whether a restaurant is open 24 hours or if it's a main branch. These shop tags can help you filter organization-level reports, such as the sales summary, transaction report, and daily closing report, to display data only for restaurants with the selected shop tags. You must have organization-level access to create and manage shop tags for your restaurant. To learn how to set up this feature, refer to the help article we've added in the description. To generate filtered reports using shop tags, log in to the Merchant Portal. Click on Reporting, then select the report you want to generate. Customize the report details, then click on Select Shops. From here, each restaurant's tags are displayed and you can click on a restaurant's checkbox to include it. You can also use the Tags filter to only show restaurants that have the selected filter. Once the report is ready to generate, click on Submit. Next, the Item Preparation Time report now logs the time when kitchen staff started the preparation of an item, helping you track kitchen productivity. The start prep time recorded in the report is the time they started the timer on the Eats 365 kitchen display system. You must have the cooking time indicator function on the KDS enabled to record the start prep time. To access this report, on the Merchant Portal reporting options, select Operation, then Item Preparation Time Report. And our last portal update. You can now configure date groups for specific and fixed days of the year, allowing you to automate special dates throughout the year. On the Merchant Portal, just go to Advanced Settings, then select Date Groups. Create or edit a date group, then select Repeat Yearly or Specific Days. Repeat Yearly allows you to create a date group for events that happen on the same day every year. For example, New Year's Day, January 1st, Valentine's Day, February 14th, and more. If you choose this, select the month and enter the day. You can also add remarks and add more days. Specific Day lets you create a date group for regularly occurring events that may fall on a different day every year. For example, national holidays, restaurant anniversaries, and more. If you choose this, enter the date and, optionally, remarks. For the POS, restaurants in Japan can now issue formal receipts as standardized by the Japanese government. This formal receipt includes more details than a regular receipt and is used for business and tax purposes. Staff members can print a formal receipt once the payment for a transaction has been processed and the regular receipt has been issued. To configure this function for your restaurant, follow the steps in the help article we've added in the description. Once set up, log in to the Eats 365 POS, locate the order, and access the order's payment page. Tap Bill and select Print Formal Receipt. Enter the customer's name and choose a disclaimer. In the case of a reprint, the steps are the same, but select Reprint Formal Receipt instead. Let's move on to our mPOS updates. You can now pair your mPOS with Sunmi V2 and iMin Swift 2 Pro built-in printers. If you're using either device, when configured, you can print receipts, bills, and dynamic QR codes directly on the mPOS instead of going back to the POS. Keep in mind that printer setup is not compatible with Android mobile devices. If your mPOS is installed on an Android mobile phone, you must process printing jobs on the Eats 365 POS. To pair your Sunme or iMin device's built-in printer with the mPOS and learn how to perform printing, check out the help articles listed in the video description. Next, you can use the mPOS to perform seating. In the mPOS app, just tap Table, then enter the party size and confirm. If your restaurant allows self-ordering through dynamic QR codes using the Scan to Order feature, and your mPOS has a paired built-in printer, the mPOS will print the dynamic QR code. Continuing, now that printing the bill is supported on mPOS, you also have the option to lock the order when printing the bill, just like the POS. Moving on, Alipay can now be used for payments by scanning the customer's Alipay QR code using the mPOS. To use Alipay with your mPOS, contact us to integrate the Alipay payment service with your restaurant. If Alipay is already configured, just update your mPOS and the enhancement should apply automatically. To process an Alipay payment with the mPOS, open the mPOS app, select the table and tap Order. Tap Pay, enter the tender amount, then tap Pay again. Scan the customer's Alipay payment QR code. Once the payment is done, tap Print Receipt to print a receipt with the wording Paid APY, or tap With Credit to print a receipt with the payment details included. As for the next enhancement, we've enhanced the mPOS to allow managing self-checkout requests from customers. This allows the waitstaff themselves to handle self-checkout payments without having to go back to the POS every time. When self-checkout is set up, Dine-in customers can process the payment for their orders using their own devices. They can initiate self-checkout through the branded online store. Refer to the help article listed in the video description to learn how to set up the self-checkout feature. To manage self-checkout requests on the mPOS, select the table with the self-checkout request, tap Self-Checkout, then accept or reject the request. If you want to cancel an accepted self-checkout request, tap Pending Self-Checkout, then Suspend. And for the final enhancement, order surcharges are now included in orders placed on the mPOS. No additional configuration is required for this if you have order surcharges set up on the POS. If you don't, you may refer to the help article listed in the video description to learn how. Alright, that completes our highlights for this video. Make sure to subscribe to keep up to date with the latest features.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content that helps you make the most of our services.